Quercus x hispanica Lucombeana Infotmation. Quercus x hispanica Lucombeana, commonly known as Lucombe Oak or Lucombe Oak, is a hybrid tree that belongs to the Fagaceae family. It is a cross between Quercus cherries, Turkey oak, and Quercus suber, cork oak. Here's some information about Quercus x hispanica Lucombeana. Appearance: Lucombe oak is a deciduous tree that typically grows up to 20 to 25 meters, 65 to 82 feet, in height. It has a rounded crown with spreading branches. The leaves are glossy and dark green in color, turning golden or brown in autumn. The bark is rough and grayish-brown. Growth: the tree has a moderately fast growth rate and develops a broad, rounded shape over time. It is known for its longevity and can live for several centuries. Leaf characteristics: Lucombe oak leaves are typically leathery and have an ovate shape with irregular lobes and serrated edges. They are approximately 8 to 12 centimeters, 3 to 5 inches, long. Acorns: the tree produces small acorns that are around 2 to 3 centimeters, 0.8 to 1.2 inches, long. These acorns are enclosed in cup-like structures called cupules, which are covered in small scales. Adaptability: Quercus x hispanica Lucombeana is known for its adaptability to various soil types, including acidic, alkaline, loamy, and sandy soils. It can tolerate both dry and moist conditions, making it a versatile tree for different climates. Uses: the Lucombe oak is primarily cultivated as an ornamental tree due to its attractive foliage and autumn colors. Its rounded shape and spreading branches make it suitable for parks, gardens, and large landscapes. The wood is used in carpentry and can be employed for making furniture, flooring, and veneer. Maintenance: Lucombe oak is relatively low maintenance once established. It prefers full sun to partial shade and requires regular watering during its early growth stages. Mature trees are generally more tolerant of drought conditions. It's worth noting that Quercus x hispanica Lucombeana is a cultivated hybrid and may not be found in its pure form in natural habitats. Its unique characteristics make it a popular choice among gardeners and arborists, adding beauty and diversity to landscapes.